So guys, nandito po kami sa CR. Bye guys, ilan po kami. Ay, pati ng G-friend. Sige, keep up na. Live update po. Asa na yung pagkain mo? Wala akong pagkain.
Ano ka kaya lunch box ako?
Pagod na po kami. Lang, bye.
Day 1 lunch. Dapat ka ng tissue.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Day... Ulit, 1, 2, 3, go.
Day 1 done.
Time check. 1:42. Call time 1 o'clock.
Sa'yo maging VIP. Charo.
VIP kasi si Michelle eh. Pasok na po kami. Late na po kami.
Vlog
Hi guys.
takeover.
Vlog ni Michelle.
Vlog ko to. Vlog takeover. So, dito po kami sa backstage. Kasi wala. Hi guys, tuloy na naman ang magpapay. Kaya naman siya.
Para sa akin
Hi guys. The day. It's the tree. Ay, huh?
Diday na pala.
Diday na,
trip pa.
diday.
Diday.
Diday na, diday.
Ah, Tiday. 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 Miss you, Tiday.
Movie backstage. Backstage check. Ayan, backstage ba to?
Backstage na.
Backstage. Nanood lang.
Up next is Hip Hop with Teacher PJ in Alabang!
This performance is made with AI. Can you blow my mind? Show me, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder. Huwag ka nang magpakipot, sayawan mo na.
After performance, time check.
Isa na yun, guys. Na yun.
9:40 plus. 9:40 plus.
It's worth it. 10 over 10. Nakita mo si, ano? Sino yun? Dahil Puspus. Yes! So, Stanley Paul Samar. Parang nasa you. Sana hinawakan ko kamay niya para may energy. Maging magaling na dance.
The MTT is MTT and ready. BJ! 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 BJ!
What up, though?
So guys, maghanap po kami ng mga picture. Si George. Ay, si CJ.
Guys! Ako na. Guys, namabaliw. Ano na? Guys, baliw. Crazy. Ay, guys! Baliw na, guys.
Sino ano?
Isa pa push.
Bubulot po kami ng content. Bubulot ng kalat. Grabe ka naman.
Go. Let's go, guys. Go.
Guys, we're gonna go home because it's already done. Pwede mag-iipang ako ako. Reporter. Matutulog na ako pag-uwi. No. Charis. Hi, bye-bye. See you next GeForce project.
I-edit ko yun yung...
Next year.
Ano yung para-paraan?
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Finally out.